is silver becoming unobtainable, the unobtainium? Well, what I will say is that there will always be opportunities in the market for people to buy silver. It just depends on the premium and the price point. Now, for me, as I said, if I'm buying right now, I don't really want to be buying anywhere close to the £80, £90 an ounce mark with the VAT, with the tax implications on top. But if there were some fractional bits of silver or some coins that came in that were at a half decent price point around spot, for example, or just a little bit above, then that would be something that might tickle my fancy in terms of purchasing. But at the same time, I just don't know if that's still right for me. I'd rather cash out on some of the silver that I have, certainly bullion stuff, than buy more at this price point and reduce my average. Now, premium stuff, I think there's an opportunity here. There is an opportunity for semi-numismatic stuff. So as prices continue to increase, and there's no doubt that I think that they will continue to increase. Oh my God, look at all this beautiful silver down here. I've forgotten all about this coin. This is a stunner. This is something I bought all the way back in 2017, I think early 17. I have to look up what I paid for this, but it must be only, crikey, it's probably only about 130 quid. That's going to be £800 coin right now. Anyway, what I was saying was, I do think that with the price increasing, there is opportunity. Opportunity will always come a-knocking for premium products. And I've said this before on many occasions that when the price starts to increase, when the premiums start to increase, premium products start to look really quite attractive. And if you're looking at this box of silver here, there are some premium products in here that are very, very nice and that will have and retain that premium. So still there is an avenue, I think, for people to make some money on silver. We can certainly look to buy things like, I'm not going to just specifically say germanium mint, but if you bought germanium mint products at a half decent price, their premium holds. If you buy bullion items like a normal regular bullion Britannia from bullion by post at £90 an ounce, you're not going to get that premium out of it. This 2013 Britannia here is just a real ratty-tatty bullion grade. No one wants this for a decent premium. But if you've got a nice piece, if you've got a really nice piece of silver like, well, one of the old school Britannias, like this 2007 would be a good example, or even one of the Charles Cyphers, there's some other cool ones in here. Oh, there's the Empire Precious Metals, we'll talk about him in a moment. But for example, well, these Lunars are just stunning, but also there's some Pressburg coins in here, that's what I was looking for. So some of these beautiful Pressburg coins, they do hold lovely premiums above what I will have paid for them. And those premiums are in demand right now. That's the point, that's the problem right now. There is a lot of people who want to get silver, but don't want to be paying over the odds for things that they don't like. So yeah, it's an interesting time to be a stacker.